All right, guys. Yes, that's right. It's another bacon cooker. Just in case you're shopping for that foodie in your life and you want to get them something, watch this episode and see if this thing works. It's a super simple method. You take it and it's all about draping the bacon over again. Now this claims to hold more bacon than any other device out there on the market. So get your slices all on board, okay? And then once you're done filling the inner circle, go to the outer circle. So we have hung all our bacon out. The directions say to put paper towels all in the side and fold it over and all this complicated stuff you can see right here. But I don't want to do paper towels. I didn't do paper towels on the other microwave cookers. I want to see how this works. The other microwave cooker hung the bacon, didn't splash. I didn't have to clean up a mess. So if you guys remember, a couple years ago, it was a Toys in the Kitchen. I reviewed this splatter guard. This is the splatter guard I have. The only oil or grease that might happen is on the door right here. And that's easy to clean. I don't want to go through all my paper towels and have to do that every time I need to cook bacon. So we're going to pop it in here and we're going to see how it works. Okay, I'm not sure how you like yours, but we like ours very crispy. So this probably isn't cooked enough for us, but let's take a look. Okay, you can see the grease is pooled inside. Oh, it is. It did get all over the glass. So let's review this. So it cooked the bacon perfectly. It holds a lot of bacon. You probably want to put the paper towels up on the sides, even though I'm completely against that, because I don't want to have to do any extra work that I didn't do on the making bacon. I don't want to be doing it on this device. If this device claims to be better, then I don't want my whole microwave covered in grease. So this was supposed to hold more bacon than any other device. We had 1.5 pounds bacon right here. You probably want to cook more than that. You could slide everything close together if you need to, but we didn't need to. Does this cook bacon? Yes. Does it hold a lot of bacon? Yes. If you just cover the whole thing in paper towels, you should be fine. It should just block down all the splatter, okay? So this is the largest device there is. It's called the Bacon Pro. It did succeed. You can go with the Bacon Pro. You can go with the Macon Bacon that I love so dearly, and I think is still the champ. And whatever device you want, we'll keep reviewing those bacon cookers for you, okay? All right, I'll see you on the next episode. You guys take care. Bye-bye.